Morning students. So now start next topic, application of determinants and matrices. Right, application of determinants and matrices. Application of determinant and matrix. So in class 10th, you remember linear equation in two variable, solution is consistent or inconsistent. याद होगा पढ़ना था linear equation in two variable में consistent और inconsistent. What is consistent? Either solution is unique or infinite, that is called consistent. And inconsistent, when solution no solution, that is equation having no solution, then that is called inconsistent. तो आप consistent inconsistent क्लियर हैं? No solution then inconsistent, and solution is either unique or infinite, that is called consistent. So solution of system of linear equation using inverse of a matrix, application of determinant. So question is solution of a system of linear equations. Solution of system of linear equation using inverse of a matrix. Using inverse of matrix. Solution of system of linear equation using inverse of a matrix. So solution of system of linear equation, here suppose three linear equation given and three variable x, y, z and three linear equation given. In class 10th, two equation given and two variable. Here two equation and three equation both दोनों given होगा, तो हम थ्री linear equation को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. सेम प्रोसेस टू भी सॉल्व हो जाएगा इसमें. So suppose three linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. Third equation is a3x b3y c3z is equal to d3. There are three linear equations. Solve this equation using inverse of matrix. जैसे आप 10th में सॉल्व किए हो इल्यूमिनेशन सब्स्टिट्यूशन, उस मेथड का यूज यहाँ पे नहीं करना है. यूजिंग इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. सो हाउ टू यूज? सो सॉल्यूशन, लेट द गिवन सिस्टम, this whole is a system of linear equation in three variables. This is a system of linear equations. So let the given system can written as ax is equal to b, call it 1. What is ax and b? So where a is the matrix whose entries are coefficient of x, y, z. Coefficient of x, y, z. What is the coefficient of x, y, z in first equation? a1, b1 and c1. Second equation a2, b2, c2. Third equation a3, b3, c3. So this is a. And what is x? Here x is the variable. What are the variable? X, y and z are variable. x, y, z. Write in column form. X, y, z are variable. And what is b? B is the, what are the remaining term? That is constant term. So B is equal to determinant matrix D1, D2, D3, that is also column matrix. So X and B both are column matrix, and A 3 cross 3 matrix, that is all are coefficient of x, y, z. First find A inverse. For A inverse, you check that inverse exists or not. When inverse exists, if determinant of A is non-zero. So here case 1, first find determinant of A. For inverse of matrix A, you check that this matrix is singular or non-singular. If this matrix is singular, singular means determinant value is 0, then inverse does not exist. So first you check that this matrix singular or non-singular. For this, find their determinant. So first find determinant of A. And the value of determinant of A is 0 or non-zero. So case 1, suppose if determinant of A non-zero, then inverse exists. Therefore A inverse exists. Now find A inverse. And what is A inverse? A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant of A. फाइंड कर लेंगे इनवर्स. देन नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, what is equation 1? What is the equation 1? From 1, since 1 is ax is equal to b, आपको x का वैल्यू निकालना है. इस a को हटाना है यहाँ से. a कैसे हटाओगे? a को राइट साइड कैसे ले जाओगे? सो मल्टीप्लाई बाई a इनवर्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स. मल्टीप्लाई बाई a इनवर्स, both side multiply by A inverse. Then A inverse into A is equal to I. Since A inverse into A is equal to I, and I into X is equal to X. So X is equal to A inverse B. A inverse is a matrix, B also matrix, both are matrix. Find their product. Then you check that here A inverse B, since I into X is equal to X, I into X is equal to X, and since X is a column matrix and this X equal to A inverse B, so A inverse B also column matrix. Then suppose their product, that is put value A inverse and then put value B, then find their product. Suppose their product is, their product suppose alpha, beta and gamma, and this is the value of X. Here what is X? X, Y, Z. This is the value of capital X, X, Y and Z. Now compare it. So X is equal to alpha, Y is equal to beta and Z is equal to gamma. This is the solution. तो आप सोल्यूशन निकाल लोगे. इसी मेथड से एग्जाम में आता है, बोर्ड एग्जाम में इसी मेथड से क्वेश्चन पूछता है. अब केस 2 क्या होगा? इफ डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 0. राइट केस 2. ये मेथड समझ में आ गया? राइट केस 2. So case 2, if determinant of A is equal to 0, then evaluate then evaluate A into adjoint of A. Evaluate the value of A into adjoint of A, and check that what is the value of A into adjoint of A. If this value A into adjoint of A either 0 or non-zero, suppose if A into adjoint of A non-zero, then solution does not exist. Solution does not exist. That is, determinant of A is equal to 0 and A into adjoint of A non-zero, then solution does not exist. That is, यहाँ solution find नहीं कर सकते हो आप. And if A into adjoint of A is equal to 0, then solution is either consistent or inconsistent. That is, solution is unique or infinite. Consistent means consistent or inconsistent. That is, solution is consistent, that is unique or infinite, or inconsistent also, that is no solution also. Then solution is consistent or inconsistent, may be consistent or inconsistent. ऐसे एग्जाम में ही आएगा, एग्जाम इसी से आता है. सो नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 27. Example 27 is example 27. Solve the system of equation. An equation given 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Equation given and solve it. Here 2 equation and 2 variable. Method same. जो आपका 3 लीनियर इक्वेशन जो मेथड बताए हैं सेम एज 2 लीनियर इक्वेशन. सो सॉल्यूशन ये नॉट यूज एलिमिनेशन और सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा सॉल्व बाय या सॉल्व गिवन सिस्टम इक्वेशन यूजिंग इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. यहाँ पे नोट नहीं किया हुआ है बट एग्जाम में रहेगा यूजिंग इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, नॉट सॉल्व बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन और एलिमिनेशन मेथड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लाइन? The given system can written as AX is equal to B. Call it first. Where what is A? Where A is a matrix whose entries are all coefficient of X and Y. So in first equation, what are the coefficient? 2, 5, second equation 3, 2, and capital X is equal to variable term, that is only 2 variable, so x, y, and B is equal to constant term, that is 1, 7. Now check that inverse exists or not. So for inverse, that is first find the value of their determinant value. So find determinant of A. So determinant of 2, 5, 3, 2, that is 4 minus 15 is equal to minus 11, which is non-zero. That is use case 1. Determinant of A is non-zero. Therefore, A inverse is exist. So now find A inverse. For A inverse, find cofactor. For A inverse, find the cofactor. That is first find the value of A11. What is the value of A11? Minus 1 to the power 1 into M11. This becomes plus M11, that is delete first row and first column. फर्स्ट रो को डिलीट कर दें और फर्स्ट कॉलम में डिलीट कर दें. क्या बच गया एलिमेंट बच गया डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ 2, दैट इज 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट फाइंड A12 दैट इज माइनस 1 टू द पावर 1 प्लस 2 इंटू M12. माइनस 1 टू द पावर 1 प्लस 2 दैट इज माइनस, एंड M12 delete first row and second column. This is first row and second column. So what is the element remaining? 3. So determinant of 3, this is equal to minus 3. Now find A21. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21, and minus 1 to the power 3 also minus, and M21 delete second row and first column. Second row and first column. So remaining element is 5. That is determinant of 5. So value is minus 5. Next find A22. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. This becomes plus. And what is M22? That is delete second row and second column. Second row delete किए, second column delete कर दिए. That is element of determinant of 2 is equal to 2. Now find adjoint of A. So for adjoint, now find adjoint. So since adjoint is equal to, adjoint of A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 का transpose, put all the values. What is A11? 2, A12 minus 3, A21 minus 5, A22 is 2. It's transpose. Taking transpose, so change row and column. So 2 minus 3 and minus 5, 2. This is the value of adjoint of A. Now find inverse of A. So since A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, and what is the determinant? Minus 11. So minus 1 by 11, and adjoint is 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. This is the inverse. Now using this A inverse and solve it. So now from equation 1, from 1, what is 1? Since AX is equal to B, now multiply A inverse on both sides. So A inverse into AX is equal to A inverse into B, and A inverse into A is equal to I into X, and put value here A inverse. What is A inverse? Minus 1 by 11, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2 into B. What is B? B is 1, 7. 1, 7. Now find their product. So product is, simply find product. So product is I into X is equal to what? X. I into X equal to X is equal to minus 1 by 11. Find the product. So R1 multiplying C1. So 2 into 1, 2 and minus 35. Next R2 multiplying C1. That is minus 3 and plus 14. Simplified. Minus 1 by 11. This is minus 33 and this one is 11. This is the value of X. And what is the value of X? X is XY. This equal to, now divided by minus 11. So when divided by minus 11 becomes 3 and this becomes minus 1. Divide by 11, minus 11. Now compare it. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution. So using matrix method, this is the solution. So now next class I solve a system of 3 linear equation by matrix method. So now exercise 4.6, question number 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9, 10. होमवर्क है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, next 7, 8 and 9 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the homeworks. Same example number this. Same ऐसे ट्राई करोगे. ऐसे फर्स्ट में क्या है, एग्जामिन द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन इन एक्सरसाइज 1 to 6. कंसिस्टेंसी, how to consistence, that is solution is unique or infinite. Consistent means solution is unique or infinite. तो unique or infinite, here use case 1. Case 1 is if determinant of A is non-zero, then solution is unique. And for infinite solution, check that adjoint of A into B. सेम केस 2 में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, आप इतना ट्राई करोगे. ओके, आई डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्लास.